Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video you are going to learn about the present and past participles. So what we are going to discuss in this video? So first, we are going to talk about the definitions, the functions, and the examples of present and past participles. The present participles. What is present participles? Present participle is the ing form of a verb. For example, singing, playing, and dancing. And it is preceded by to be. Is MR the to be for present? For example, the boys are playing basket. Was were are the to be for past tense. For example, Sam was walking home last night. And been is the to be for perfect. For example, the girl has been swimming for an hour. So what is the function of present participles? Well, the present participles has two functions. First, as the verb. For example, the boys are playing basket. The boys is the subject and are playing is the verb. Sam was walking home last night. Sam is the subject and was walking is the verb. The girl has been swimming for an hour. The girl is the subject, has been swimming is the verb. The second function is as the adjectives. The boys playing basket are my brother. Playing here, the present participle, is the adjectives. The girl swimming for an hour has won the swimming championship for 3 times in a row. Swimming here is the present participle that serves as the adjectives. What about the past participles? Past participle. The past participles is the ed form of a verb, like wanted, played, and the irregular form of a verb, like broken, sit, and read. The ed form of the verb can be the simple past. For example, the boys called the police. The past participle of a verb, the boys have called the police. And as the adjectives, the police called by the boys investigates the murder. What about the functions of past participles? Well, as the present participles, the past participles also act as the verb. For example, the family purchased a car. Purchased here as a verb, while the family is the subject. The script written by an unknown writer was written is the verb, while the script is the subject. The boys have taken an injured car to the vet. The boys is the subject, have taken is the verb. And as the adjectives, a new car purchased yesterday was cheap. Purchased here, the past participle, serves as an adjective. The script written by an unknown writer is awesome. Written, the past participle, is also served as an adjective. The injured cat taken to the vet by the boys this morning is slowly recovered. Taken, the past participles, here also acts as the adjectives. So, How can we differentiate the participles as a verb and as an adjective? Well, here are some helpful tips to you. Tips number 1. First, we have to identify the part of speech in the sentence. Remember, a sentence must consist of a subject and it is a noun and a verb. Second, the participles as an adjective is mostly located near the subject, the noun, because its functions is to modify the noun. So here are the examples for you. Analyze the sentence below. Identify the participles and its functions. So here is the sentence. The car listed in the advertisement had already stalled. So first, identify the part of speech. The car here is the subject and it is a noun. Listed is the past participle. In the advertisements is an adverb. It is an object of preposition. Had already stalled is past participles. Here, we can see that we have two past participles, listed and stalled. So which one that will be the adjectives and which one that will be the verb? So please take a look at the second tips. The participle as an adjective is located near the subject. So which one of these past participles that near the subject? Listed. Good. So that's why listed is an adjective and stalled as the verb. So for more examples and exercises, please look at E to G5, the practices. Thank you. Any questions?